Be ready. Start. To the requirement that is given stop. Though no reference has been made here, they have also pointed out that the complaint, or rather the deficiency, was very great so far as the All India services were concerned. Stop. It was true that in certain cases they came from families where the environment was not what it ought to have been, and therefore on earlier occasions expression was given in this house as in the other that some arrangement should be made for the purpose of giving tuition to some of those candidates who were likely to appear at these All India competitive examinations. Stop. This question was taken up with the various universities. Stop. It was the Allahabad University that agreed to have such a course of tuition, and I am aware that the course of training through which the scheduled caste and the scheduled tribe candidates have gone during the year has been of immense value in respect of their general training. Stop. They have come up fairly high and the results are far better even at the final All India competitive examinations than they were formerly. Stop. That is a step that the government have specially taken for them. Stop. In other respects also, wherever it is possible, it is the desire of the government to see that such special tuition or training is offered to those classes of people for whom some reservation has been made. Stop. But still, candidates to the extent of a suitable number are not available in spite of all the attempts made in that direction. Stanza. Then they have pointed out that in certain cases, especially where government servants have to be appointed at such distant places as Manipur or Tripura, the north-eastern states, or at Pondicherry also, candidates are not forthcoming for serving in those areas. Stop. In fact, this is one of the great difficulties so far as these states are concerned. Stop. As the House is aware, we are anxious to see that the tone of administration there improved to the fullest measure and that it comes at par with that of the other enlightened states of India. Stop. Therefore, special steps are being taken. Stop. All the same, in spite of certain alluring concessions that are made to them, the number of candidates that are ready to serve in these distant areas is not very large. Stop. Therefore, the UPSC has expressed that in such cases it finds it difficult to get the full strength and submit the figures. Stop. Similarly, also there are certain fields in technology and others where it becomes difficult to get good candidates. Full stop. Over.